1 pound, 12.4 ounces. And that's 1 pound, 11.4 ounces. And that's 2 and 4/8, 4.8 ounces. 2 pounds, 4.8 ounces.
Okay, so right now we're going to do the pull test with the Double E 579. I think it's a 579.
Yep.
All right, of course we got to turn it on. And guess what? The idiots put the switch on the bottom. All right, James, turn it on. See if you can find the switch. Drive. See, it's pulling. One, you're turning off. Shut it off. Let's see. Back it up. Okay.
And it locked it in.
It locked it in. 420. Mm-hmm. Now what we got is the Double E, and James here will turn it on. And guess what? Another stupid switch on the bottom. But let's see how much power this one has. Get started and go. As you can see, it's giving it its all.
440.
Okay, shut it down. All right, now we got the Huna. Oh, nice crisp engine sound. The switch is up in the air at the top. Let's see how much power we can muster out of it. Okay, what's it say there?
955 kilograms.
955, we got a champ here. And these are right out of the box, folks. So if you're gonna go buying a bulldozer, so far, it looks like the Huna has the best performance as far as what a bulldozer needs.
It does. The other ones were 4 something, weren't they?
Yeah.
420 and 440.
Yeah.
And then this one is 9, what did we say? 955.
Yeah. Now we're doing the climb test. We're starting with the Die-Cast Masters. Let's go.
No problem.
No problem. Okay, next to go is the Double E.
No problem.
Okay. And now the Huna. Let's go. It's slower than the others, but
It's going. But it's working. It's a little slow, but it works.